How's it going, everyone? Nick here with McGaughys Suspension. Well, what I have here in front of us today is a little bit different than the normal. In a plethora of lifted trucks that we've been showing on our YouTube channel, we have landed on something from our roots. Classic Tri-5s are the real roots of McGaughys Suspension back in 1984 when Mike McGaughey started McGaughys Suspension with Tri-5 product, and then it went to other muscle cars, and then the sport truck era came along and Mike came up with lowering kits for these trucks. And now in front of us here, we've got a 2024 Chevy 1500, and it is two-wheel drive. This one is owned by JD. JD's here in Southern California, and in the more recent months, he decided that he wanted to take his two-wheel drive truck and do a sport truck look to it and do a nice wheel and tire package for daily driving. He just wanted to get a hint lower on the stance, and McGaughys had a solution for that. So what you're seeing here is our 1-inch strut, actually adjustable strut, but he's only got it sitting at 1 inches of drop. And in the rear, it's got our 2-inch shackle. So we've got a 1-inch drop in the front with a 2-inch shackle. There is some other configurations that we do offer for this truck. Look at our website or give us a call if you wanted to go a little bit lower than what JD has. JD is not going super crazy low, so it's only a 1-inch and a 2-inch in the rear. So with that, he is now properly clearing. Well, when I say properly, it's the fact that the truck is now over the wheel and tire package in a nicer form. And these are some 305 45 22 tires. And that is squared. He's running the same size tires all the way around. He also has the same size wheels all the way around. And those wheels are 22 by 10. And these are the raised by method wheels. And they are a positive 10 offset. So real nice and flush with the side of the truck. Just a really nice setup. Now, can you go lower? Yes, you can go lower. We do have some packages that are lower if you really, really want to tuck these wheels and tires, or your actual wheel and tire combo if you have a larger wheel and tire that you want to do. So if you are looking for a little bit more, please reach out to us and we will let you know what we have. Some of these trucks, these body styles, this 19 and newer truck have a couple configuration scenarios that might offer what is available for the application. But like I said, you can just reach out to us, call us at our office, and any one of our sales reps can help you figure out what you can do with yours, as in what is available for your, what it comes down to, as I believe it's a cab configuration. So I will tell you that I'm not as up to speed on these trucks and cab configurations and what is available for fitment for lowering kits as much as Jason or Vincent in the office. So those are two guys that I would like to direct you to if you have more questions about these setups. But again, this is a really nice, clean, option for a daily driver truck that doesn't want to go too crazy on lowering the stance, but obviously you just get rid of that large wheel to tire to fender well gap that these stock trucks come with. So there's a couple other things that JD did to the truck, in true sport truck fashion. He did some exhaust, and he's got a tonneau cover, a folding tonneau cover on the back of it. So, JD is from the era of sport truck, and this fits him. When he told me he wanted to do exactly this, I totally saw his vision and I welcomed it. So I hope you guys enjoy how this looks. If you're looking and you fell on this video because you're looking to do a lowering kit for your 1500. And again, we do have these lowering kits for Fords and Rams and some other applications as well. So check out our website for more information on which ones we do have. And then as well, if you don't want a lowering kit, we do have the lift kits for these 1500s as well too. So we do support both directions. And like I said, sport truck setups is what we originated from. One of our first founding product lines And we do offer a spindle for this truck, which JD didn't take the option to do a spindle because he just wanted, the 1 inch up front. So the adjustable strut was all he needed. But you can do our adjustable strut plus our spindle, which would give you, like I said, a lower stance. And you can check out our website and see what that's all about. Let's just walk around this thing real quick and give you a little bit of a 360 view on it. If you guys want to see more of these, by all means, let us know. We'll try to find some more of them. We do ship out a lot of these lowering kits across the United States. To be honest with you, if you have one of our products and our kits on your lowered truck, we would love for you to tag us on social media. Unfortunately, we just don't see too many people tagging us on these trucks. So to identify who has them or even set up the opportunity to shoot one is very slim pickings. The lifted guys always tag us, and we get overwhelmed with how many trucks we have floating around on social media and stuff like that. So we have a lot of opportunities to shoot the lifted trucks, but the lowered side of things, sport truck guys, even like the C10 side of things, because we do have a lot of those kits out there, we would love to shoot some more of them. So if you're a person that's like, McGaughys, why don't you show off your lowering kits? It's not because we don't want to, it's just we don't really get too much opportunity to shoot them. So we finally got this one available, and here we are shooting it, trying to show you guys what you can accomplish. Again, a very simplified, straightforward daily driver, 1 inch up front, 2 inch in the rear. If you want to go lower, we do have some options. This is just the adjustable strut with a shackle in the back. We have spindles up front, and we do have a flip for the rear as well, which would give you a lot more lowering stance. So reach out to Jason or Vincent in our office at our facility, and they can take care of you and help you identify what's available. As always, guys, I appreciate you guys following along and giving us all the support on our product line. If you guys ever have any questions, feel free to DM us or give us a call at our facility. We're more happy to help you. One more time, we've got some 305 45 22s with some method raised 22 by 10 wheels that are a positive 10 offset to get that nice flush poke stance, whatever you want to call it, just real nice and flush with the side of the truck. Thanks guys for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.